So in this short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install a Forex system or a Forex robot in your MT5 program. Before I continue, don't forget to subscribe. So to get started, you first need to receive the bot file, which is something like this, and a preset file, which is something like this. Whenever you download or receive the bot file and you unzip it, in most cases it comes with a preset file, which is this one. Copy both the bot file and the preset file to the desktop of your VPS if you are going to be using a VPS. In this case, I'm not using a VPS, so I'm going to be using the desktop of my PC for this example. You need to copy just the Forex Robot, so you can right click on it and copy it. Next, open your MT5 program. Come over to File at the top left, come down to Open Data folder, open the MQ5 folder, open the experts folder, and you can paste these bots here. So as you can see, we have many other bots here, but for this example I am using these bots. Let me paste it over here. Here we go, the Vega system, and I can close this now. After that, you need to locate the bot on your navigator. So come over to this area, your navigator, open the expert advisors, right click on it and refresh. After that, you should see the expert advisor here on your navigator. So this is the expert advisor over here. Next, you need to open the chart of the instrument you want to install the bot on. In this case, I'm installing the bot on gold. So I right click over here in the symbols and click on chart window to open the chart. I select the time frame first, 1 minute, and then I can now click the bot over here, click and drag it to the chart. After that, make sure that this box over here, allow algo trading, is checked. In most cases, you can see two boxes. Make sure that you check the two boxes. In some cases, you have to go to the inputs to look at the settings of the bot. These are the settings of these bots. If you don't want to be overwhelmed by all these settings, you can load a settings, which is the preset files. Make sure you watch my other video where I explained exactly how you can load the preset files. After all of that, you can now click on OK. Make sure that the algo trading is turned on like this. You should see the expert advisor hat colored blue over here. And this is exactly how you can install a Forex system or a Forex robot in your MT5. Click the link in the description. You will be directed to my Telegram channel. In that channel, I post daily updates on the performance of this bot. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and make sure you watch my other video where I explained how you can load the preset files. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.